Hey, if your iPhone is stuck on SOS or showing no service, don't worry, let's fix it together on your iPhone 17 Pro Max with the latest iOS 26. So first you have to check the coverage. SOS appears when your iPhone can't reach your carrier network, so you have to just move to a different spot and see if the signal returns. If it does, it was just poor coverage. And next, from your control center, turn airplane mode on, wait 10 to 20 seconds, then turn it off again. This actually refreshes the radio and often restores service. Next, try by restart your iPhone. Just press volume up button, then volume down button, and then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Let it fully restart and check the signal. If you are using a physical SIM, eject the SIM tray. Now clean the SIM with a soft cloth, and you have to also check for damage. And when you clean it properly, just place it and insert it again, because sometimes a loose or dirty SIM can cause SOS mode. And if you're using eSIM, go to settings, then cellular, and make sure your eSIM line is turned on. If it's already on, turn it off, wait a few seconds, then turn it on again. After all of this process, you have to check the carrier update. Go to settings and from general, hit about, and here you have to wait a few seconds. If a carrier updates pop up, just install it, because most of the cases, outdated carrier settings can cause SOS. If nothing still works for you, you have to reset your network settings. So from your settings again, then general, scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to choose reset network settings. This resets all network related settings. After it restarts, just reconnect your Wi-Fi and check your signal again. If you have tried all of these steps and still see SOS or no service, contact your carrier. If they confirm everything is fine, just contact Apple support for further assistance. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.